Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do coordinate geometry exercise 7.2 8th sum. See Baba, if A and B are the -2 and 2 -4 respectively, find the coordinates of the P such that AP is equal to 3/7 AB and P lines on the line segment AB. In this one, see Baba, one line segment is there, that is the AB. Here A and B coordinates given. A coordinates, what is there? -2, -2. Here I am writing A coordinates -2, -2. Both are -2, -2. And B coordinates, what is there? 2, -4. This is the B coordinates. A coordinates -2, -2 and B coordinates 2, -2. Okay, this is finished. Find the coordinates of the P. What is the question mark? You have to find the coordinates of the P. This is the question mark. Such that AP equal to 3/7 AB. Here one clue is there. See here P, where is there? P lies on the line segment. See here on line segment AB, P is there. In this one, P dot is there. So now we will find this P dot coordinates you have to find. Finding here one clue is there. What is the clue? AP is equal to 3/7 AB. AP is equal to 3/7 AB. This is the clue. Once again I will say here, A coordinate line segment is there. A coordinates given, B coordinates is there. P is on the line segment AB. Now we have to find what is the question mark. Coordinates of P finding is the question mark. But we don't know the ratio. M1 is to M2, don't know. But M1 is to M2 finding, what is the clue is there? AP is equal to 3/7 AB. This one we will solve, means we will get the ratio. Ratio finding after next formula writing, section formula writing means you will get the answer. Now here see, first ratio we will find. AP, here AB is the into. After before is equal to, it is a divide. AP by AB is equal to 3/7. So AP is the 3. Overall 7. This overall 7 to this 3 minus means you will get the 4. But it is our thinking, in our mind thinking. But in maths we have to prove, ratio we have to prove. So here what to do means AP by AB is equal to 3/7. Now here what I am doing, AP plus PB. Now see Baba, AP plus PB is equal to what? AB. AP plus PB is equal to AB. Now we want, this is 3 we know, but this one we don't know. So now I am writing PB is equal to AB minus AP. AB minus AP. Try to understand. AP plus PB is equal to fully AB. AP plus PB is equal to AB. Now we want this PB. PB is equal to AB minus AP. Now see here, PB is equal to, now what I am doing means, see here this one I am taking, let AP is equal to 3x and AB is equal to, I am taking 7x. You have to think in maths, you think like this. AP is equal to 3x you take, AB is equal to 7x. So PB is equal to, what we will do, AB how much is there? AB how much is there? 7x. 7x minus AP how much is there? 3x. So PB is equal to 7x minus 3x. What is the answer? 4x. So PB is the 4x. Now which ratio you want? AP PB ratio we want. Now see here, I am writing AP PB ratio. PB ratio is equal to, AP ratio how much is there? 3x. Next, divided by PB ratio how much is there? 4x. Now see here, this x cancel. What you will get? 3/4. So AP is to PB is equal to, which ratio is there? AP 3:4 ratio. So this is the 3, this is the 4 ratio. So here which ratio is there? 3:4 ratio. So now I am writing 3:4 ratio. Ratio means what? This is M1, this is m2. Now first you solve this one, first you find the ratio, afterwards you apply in the formula. So this ratio m1 is to m2, how much is there? 3 is to 4 is there. Now this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. These values you applied in the formula means you will get the answer. Now see Baba, what is the formula is there? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Next m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now carefully listen. M1 means what? 3. Value supply properly. 3 into what is the x2? x2 means 2 plus m2. m2 means 4. 4 into x1 minus 2 divided by m1 plus m2. 3 plus 4. Now see Baba. Next m1. m1 means 3 into y2 means minus 4 plus m2 means 4 into y1 means minus 2 divided by m1 plus m2 means 3 plus 4. Now simplify this one. See here, 3 to the 6 plus into minus, minus 4 to the 8 divided by 3 plus 4, 7. Now here see Baba, plus into minus, minus 3 4 the 12, plus into minus, minus 4 to the 8 divided by 3 plus 4, how much? 7. Now see here, 6 minus 8, big number sign is the minus. 8 minus 6, 2 by 7, minus 2 by 7. Both are minus. So symbol will come minus, but we will do the plus. 12 plus 8, how much? Minus 20 by 7. So the coordinates of P, what is there? Means this coordinates of P, answer this is. Coordinates of P, what is there? Here minus 2 by 7, comma, minus 20 by 7 is the answer. So here asking coordinates of P, minus 2 by 7, here minus 20 by 7 is the answer. Nothing Baba, A coordinates given, B coordinates given. First you find the ratio. 3 is to 4 you will get. Getting after section formula, you write and you know everything, you apply it, and P coordinates you will get a minus 2 by 7, minus 20 by 7 is the answer. Now 9th question. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A minus 2 to B 2 8 into 4 equal parts. See here, one line segment is there. AB is a line segment. Here AB coordinates given. First we will write the coordinates. See here, A coordinates what is there? Minus 2, 2. A coordinates is the minus 2, 2. B coordinates 2, 8. B coordinates is the 2, 8. Here what is the clue is there? Means find the coordinates of the line segment joining AB coordinates given into 4 equal parts. This line segment divide into 4 equal parts. See here, I am dividing into 4 equal parts. See here Baba. Here one part, 1, 2, 3. See here, one part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. 4 are equal parts. So A to this point equal, year to year equal, year to year equal, year to year equal. So this AB line divided into 4 equal parts. Here we will give the names. See here, 4 equal parts is there, means this is the midpoint. AB midpoint. 4 equal parts is there, means this is the midpoint. So I am giving one name Q. Next this one I am giving R, this one I am giving S. So the 4 equal parts. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 parts. So 4 equal parts is there. Now we have to find what is the R coordinates, Q coordinates, S coordinates. You have to find. In this one observed means Q is the midpoint of AB. See here, your joining means here 2 parts are there. Here also 2 parts is there. So this meaning what? Q is the midpoint of AB. So Q is the midpoint of AB means first we will find the midpoints of Q. Second formula we will use midpoint of Q means x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. We don't want to use big formula. So this is the midpoint. See, here observed means 1, 2 parts. Here also 1, 2 parts. So Q is the, first you write here, Q is the midpoint of AB. Now first we will find this Q coordinates. Coordinates of Q is equal to midpoint is there means we will use the midpoint formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Next, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now see here. In this one, this point, this is the midpoint. This x1, y1 means what? Here I am writing. See, these two a values, what is there? A values, what is there? Minus 2. Don't confuse. Next, b coordinates, what is there? B coordinates 2, 8. So this meaning what? This is x1, y1. This is x2, this is y2. Now you apply here. See, x1 plus x2. x1 means minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Comma, y1, y2. So 2 plus 8 divided by 2. Now simplification is possible. Minus 2 plus 2, it is a 0. 0 by 2 and 2 plus 8, 10 by 2. Now here, see, 0 by 2 means it is 0. 0 by something is a 0. Cancel possible. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So 0, 5. Which coordinates? Coordinates of Q. Q coordinates, what answer came? 0, 5. This Q coordinates 0, 5 came. One coordinates came. Again we will find R also, we will find S also. So now you will write, first we will find R. Here you observe means these two coordinates is then means this is the midpoint. AQ, R is the midpoint of AQ. Observe here, here this is the midpoint. Here also two parts is there. R is the midpoint of AQ. First we will find R coordinates. Next here observe means this two midpoint what? S is there. Next we will find this points. First we will write here. One answer came. One is over. Next we will write R is the midpoint of AQ. Right here R is the midpoint of AQ. R is the midpoint of AQ. So now we will find which coordinates? Coordinates of R we will find. See here, Baba. Coordinates of NATES. Coordinates of R is equal to coordinates of R is equal to this two midpoint R is there. So now we will use this coordinates. Here I am writing. See, confuse is then means A coordinates what is there? Minus 2, 2. Next, Q coordinates, what is there? Q coordinates 0, 5. In this one, what happens? This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. See here, correct only we took now, minus 2 to 0, 5. Now you write the formula. What is the formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now you apply. See here, x1 means what is there? Minus 2. Minus 2, x1 plus x2 means minus 2 plus 0 divided by 2. Next, this is what? 2 plus 5 divided by 2. Now simplify this one. See here, Baba, minus 2 plus 0, you will get minus 2 by 2. This answer you will get 7 by 2. Again, simplification is possible. Cancel this one. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So this answer you will get a minus 1. 7 by 2 is the answer. This answer is minus 1, 7 by 2. Which coordinates? R coordinates. So second answer K. Now we will write here R coordinates minus 1, 7 by 2. This answer K. Again, now we will find a Q over R over. Now we will find S coordinates. Now you write here, S is the midpoint of QB. S is the midpoint of which one? QB. Right here, S is the midpoint of QB. QB. Now we will find which coordinates? Coordinates of S. Coordinates of S we will find coordinates of S is equal to same formula we will use. What is the formula is there? X1 plus X2 by 2, next Y1 plus Y2 by 2. See, now we will write Q and S coordinates. So don't confuse. Q coordinates, what is there? 0, 5. And next B coordinates, what is there? B coordinates 2, 8. So here, what is the X1? What is the Y1? See, Baba, here. X1, Y1. This is the X2, Y2. Apply properly. Now, see here. X1 means 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 divided by 2. This one 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 divided by 2. Now simplify this one. 0 plus 2, what is the answer? 2 by 2. 2 by 2 and 8, 9, 10, 13 by 2. Now simplification possible here. 2 ones are 2 ones are. You will get 1, 13 by 2. This is which coordinates? Coordinates of S. This is one of answer. S coordinates, what is there? 1, comma 13 by 2 is the answer. So don't confuse. See here AB coordinates given and this is divided into 4 parts. So Q, R, S you take 4 parts. So first you find Q. Q answers finding means this is the midpoint of AB. Next you will get this answer. Next R is the midpoint of AQ. Next you will get this answer. This answer you want means S is the midpoint of QB means you will get answer. Not hard question, very easy question, but little bit you have to think it and you do it. Again, you have any doubt also, comment it, subscribe my channel.